So in today's video, we're going to look at the difference between round down and floor. So round down rounds down the number to the nearest specified digit. So if I have a number here and I round down comma 5, that will round down to the 5th decimal point. Floor does something very similar when it comes to decimals. It will round to that nearest decimal point as well, but it also can do multiples, and we'll see in a moment how that's important. So let's take a look at some numbers here. So we've got some numbers. Let's expand these so we can see these are quite, some of these are quite large with quite a lot of digits. So when we round down to 5, or we do the floor as 0.0001, that specificity, it's all the same. So you will see when it comes to decimals, all of these are the same between round and floor. You can see there's no differences here, no differences here. So let's close these up. And these are all the same. Now, there is, however, an option to do multiples. So here I've got 0.05. So imagine if, the United States, some countries have already done this, gets rid of the penny, and everything needs to be rounded to 5 cents. You can't just do round down, because that won't work. If I do round down to 1, which essentially would be 10 cents, not 5 cents, but you can see, yes, that's great. That all takes that to 10 cents, which is obviously a multiple of 5. But if I leave that as 2, you can see I got 93, which doesn't help. Now, in the floor example, I can actually use 0.05, and that will take me to the nearest 5 cents. I can do the same thing if, for some reason, you wanted to do quarters. You could do it to the nearest 25 as well. So there are differences in between what round down can do and what floor can do. And then floor can do multiples, like I said. So here we've got 25. Let's do another one for 100. So this is where, maybe you can only buy things in groups of 100 or groups of 25. So you're going to use a formula to find out what that number is. And so here I'm taking this to the floor. So this is going down, not up. This is forcing it to go down to the nearest 100 or the nearest 25, nearest 5, and this is to the nearest 1. So it's a lot more powerful to use the floor instead of the round down. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.